I'm Dave Anderson, owner of Metal Man Work Gear Company, and I'm excited to tell you about our most versatile welder, the MP140T. It's available exclusively at Tractor Supply. It is a 120-volt inverter-powered multi-process welder capable of doing MIG, flux core, stick, and TIG welding. These processes allow the operator to weld DC steel, stainless steel, aluminum, cast iron, and hard surfacing materials up to 3/16 of an inch. It is powered by Inverter Technology, which gives you more power, lighter weight, smooth consistent DC arc, and the ability to have multi-process capability. Selector switches make choosing the right application easy. Professional features include 30% at 90 amp duty cycle, lightweight inverter technology, smooth DC weld arc, metal drive housing, removable 10-foot MIG gun with Tweco style consumables, spool gun ready, TIG torch ready, spot timer, dual gauge regulator, digital amperage and voltage meters. The MP140T comes with a 10-foot MIG gun, a 10-foot ground cable and clamp, a 12.5-foot stick electrode holder and cable, dual gauge regulator, 10-foot shielding gas hose, extra Tweco contact tips, Tweco style MIG and Flux nozzles. All Metal Man products are backed by a toll-free helpline, parts, service, and warranty support. The MP140T is backed by a 3-year limited warranty. It is available exclusively at Tractor Supply Company.